Welcome to the Ontario Centres of Excellence Mind to Market Award 2009. The Mind to Market Award honors the best OCE-supported, commercially successful collaboration between Ontario's most innovative research and industry partners.
We're here to celebrate some of the finest collaborations between academic researchers and businesses in Ontario. And each one of the contenders really stands out in their own field and in their own right. And that's why we're proud in OCE and the whole business development team to be associated with this award, because it is the very best way to celebrate the abilities of these companies and researchers to work together for the benefit of Ontario and Ontarians.
Our 5 exceptional finalists made choosing a winner a challenge for our judging panel, all leading minds from the worlds of science and commerce from across Ontario. Judging was based on 4 key criteria: innovation, collaboration, commercialization, and the wow factor.
The technologies and the people, the passion was quite astounding. We had people who were running a company that's been established for quite some time. The other end of the spectrum, there's brand new companies, that have yet to show, a dollar in revenue, but have managed to raise significant funds because their technology or their innovation is pretty superior.
The finalists are Attodyne Incorporated and Carleton University.
Attodyne, my company, is focused on developing wireless products that has internet capability, and the primary capability being the reliability, robustness, and then mainly focused on delivering digitization of information to the remote communities and harsh environments.
Storm Fisher Biogas and University of Western Ontario.
We are a renewable energy company that takes food processing byproducts and agricultural byproducts and turns it into electricity and natural fertilizer.
Terrafix Geosynthetics Incorporated and Queen's University.
Terrafix is a manufacturer of geosynthetic clay liners. Geosynthetic clay liners are used to essentially line landfills or line contaminated sites so that the liquids that are contained in them don't enter into the soil and then ultimately into the groundwater and contaminate it.
WDI Wise Device Incorporated and the University of Toronto.
WDI is the manufacturer of optical equipment, mainly used for flat panel display industry, but also WDI manufactures equipment for semiconductor market segment, photovoltaics, and biotech.
Transform Automotive and University of Western Ontario.
Transform Automotive is an advanced metalworking supplier for the automotive industry, specializing in spline transmission components.
These 5 finalists are undoubtedly one of the most outstanding groups of innovators in Ontario. Congratulations, great job, well done. As a proud sponsor of this award, we at OMERS could not be more impressed with this year's winner. This recipient shows that when the right people connect and get the right support, the results can ripple from innovation outward and create industries, generate jobs, overcome stiff competition, and make Ontario not just a global player, but a global leader.
OCE's Mind to Market Award for 2009 goes to WDI Wise Device Incorporated and the University of Toronto.
Our microscope is used for repairing TFT transistors, which are essential parts of the flat panel displays. Let me put it this way. TVs are manufactured on large plates of glass. There will be, on average, about 600 defects. And each of these defects, if not repaired, disqualifies TV from being a product. It takes 3 seconds for so-called video autofocus to bring the defect to focus. So we reduced the autofocusing time to 0. So we gave back to the fab 1800 seconds of the machine time.
To solve the problem is a collaborative effort. So including contributions from WDI, from IOS, Institute of Optical Sciences, and from Attodyne Inc. We have been working in the field for over 10 years. For lasers, for laser micromachining. So this collaboration, make things happen.
OCE's role with WDI has been to help them establish relationships and collaborations. Relationships with the universities, including the University of Toronto and Professor Lin, with relationships with companies that can offer a complementary technology for WDI, Attodyne, which is another OCE-sponsored company, and to help them network as well across Canada. So OCE has provided a very strong role in networking, in connections into the right kinds of organizations, be them universities or companies, that could benefit WDI. WDI's technology is transformative and has completely disrupted the competitive landscape. They've come in and done something transformative to what the competition was doing and completely delighted their end users. They've listened to the customer's pain and delivered on it.
We've been so successful that we can proudly say that practically every single TV and every single computer screen or laptop has been worked on with our equipment.
OCE is proud to present the winners of the Mind to Market Award 2009, WDI and the University of Toronto.